Welcome to 5G Learning. Learn about 5G, how 5G will affect life and business. 5G training and course. Presented by Tonex Training. Learning topics. Understanding 5G. What is 5G special for? 5G impact in life. 5G impact in business. 5G security. How to improve 5G skills. Top 5G training and courses. Understanding 5G. What is 5G? Okay, when most people think of 5G, they think of it as a unique technology unlike any previous generation of wireless networking. And, while that is mostly true, even 5G is made up of underlying technologies. In truth, 5G is based on OFDM, orthogonal frequency division multiplexing, a method of modulating a digital signal across several different channels to reduce interference. What is special? What improvements 5G comes with? The core improvements brought by 5G are something like these. Increased range. More speed. Less energy intensive. Low latency. More users connected. 5G impact in life. How can 5G influence you? 5G got very wide impact for life. Our life is already captured by technology, and 5G here is an accelerator, a great processor to make pragmatic life even faster and easier. 5G is going to have a massive impact on people's lives, says Layla Warrell, CEO of Altran North America, a high-tech engineering company. We are going to see a big advance in quality of life that 5G can deliver for individuals. Life with 5G will have many benefits like increased download and video call speed, Internet of Things, IoT, uninterrupted connections on the move, car-to-car connection, virtual reality and streaming, telemedicine and more. 5G impact in business. What can 5G do for business? Especially, 5G will have widespread influence on business sectors. The frontline beneficiaries are like automotive, healthcare, aerospace and defense, telecom, education, entertainment and many others. 5G and security. What's about 5G security? Yes, that's $1 million question with biggest security concern and everyone is talking about. 5G might have privacy issues, core network security issues with endpoint security and management. While experts are a bit worried, however, they are not sleeping. In fact, the world is busy for mitigating security and privacy threats under 5G. Want to learn more about 5G? Call Tonex today at 1-972-665-9786 or visit tonex.com for 5G training, courses and workshop detail.